Growing in the subtropics can be a little bit tricky, and for anyone new to the area, very challenging. But from advice, myself, and from other gardeners who have lived here for a very long time, or even a short period, there are some plants that work and some plants that don't. And in truth, it's all about appreciating and accepting the climate that you live in. So where I live is in the subtropics, southeast Queensland. And we have traditionally a fairly dry winter and spring, and a hot summer, humid summer, and a wet summer autumn. And these conditions can really put stress on a lot of plants. Choosing the plant is actually the secret. So if you're choosing natives, definitely choose plants native to the area where you live. If you're choosing non-natives, select plants that do best in a similar climate. In other words, choose subtropical and tropical plants that just seem to thrive here, whereas the temperate plants do have a bit of an issue. So at my place, I'm a little bit lucky. I have some interesting climatic zones just on my one property, and I have areas where I can grow some cooler plants and also some areas where I have to grow plants that absolutely love the sunlight. And the sun's just popping up today. And what time is it? Early. I'll just turn around a little bit more so there's no shade and sun as much. And yes, this is live, folks. So I'm going to be doing a few live videos to encourage gardeners to get back into the garden and enjoy what they are doing. And it might be every day, it might be every 3 days, but hopefully we will enjoy the experience. And it's some of my experiences I will be sharing and information I've been told by other gardeners. So in effect, real gardening advice. No fancy videos, no fancy production. This is going to be raw. Yep, raw YouTube gardening tips here with me. So my name is Paul Plant. I've been doing radio for probably 20-30 years on various radio stations in Brisbane, Noosa and other areas. Been writing magazines, was a publisher of a gardening magazine, but now I'm just kind of relaxing more and focusing on the retail and the wholesale nursery, which is the selling and advice of plants to landscapers, developers and other things to get them to use the right plants. But this series of videos is all for you, the gardeners who love to garden. So whether it's coluses, that little plant which is one of my favorites, or if you want to grow more natives or non-natives, exotic and tropicals, we're going to probably talk about some orchids and hoyas and all miscellaneous plants that I grow. My experience, my failures, my successes. I'll try to introduce all of those to you and hopefully help you succeed with gardening. It's probably more kind of along the ornamental, native and ornamental range, not as much fruit and veggies. I do grow a fair few, but I'll try to focus on those that I can fit within, say, a 3 to 5 minute video. So this is my first one, so please join me and subscribe and look forward to the next video, which hopefully will be in a day or two. See you then.